they're kind of over there. Yeah, I don't think the Mr. Clean Pine is like a overwhelming scent. Do you guys like that one? I love pine, but they kind of like failed me on that shit. I don't care. Yeah, it's just like, it smells like booty. It smells like badussy. Alright, and I got this one. Oh my god, this was definitely a fail. That was a fail. Hold on. My how do you say when you have like a impulsive like you're impulsive and you just do it really fast? What does that mean? What's the word for like I was gonna say the other pop for my pine bucket, but I'm like, fuck the pine bucket, I want to use it right now. You guys know that word? Is that intrusive thoughts? I don't know. Me don't know. Me don't know. What time is it? 11. All right, I'm almost done. Thank you for the gifts. Is my sister still in here? I really wanted to do my diamond art today, but my sister was like, can you get on live today? I was like, fuck. And I promised you guys the live, so I'm like, damn, I really have to do this. Really? I wish I was over there. Is it beautiful over there? I've never been over there. You guys, low key, I think I should add more. I think I should add more pine vanilla first. Have one more bottle. It snows a lot. Oh damn. Alright, I have 2 more cans, and I also have some pine powder. fine powder from Pretty G. We're gonna open that up and just put it right in because I want to use it all. No, fuck, I got that everywhere in my toe. Ooh, was it tough? Okay. You all ready? Ooh, that was dry. That was dry. Hold on. She needed love. She needed a little love. Hey, how are you? Hey, how are you, Maya? What do you guys think? Should I say fuck it and just add it? It smells like straight pop. You missed a lot, yes. But I will post it for you. You know what? My intrusive thoughts are like, fuck the, these two, leave it for a fake rinse, right? And add the rest of the cans into this. That's what I really want to do. So I think that's what we're going to do. Yes, yes, yes. Yes. Yeah. She's heavy. You ready? I can't cheat you out. She's dry. She's dry. Hey, my favorite. You guys said that it would be enough, and look at that. It still wasn't enough. Add more powder. You know what it is? That dish soap. Don't worry, I have more than enough to make cylinders. But you see the consistency? Oh, right when I get to popping. Thank God I looked up. Hey. You want to jump in the shower? Okay. There's dead ass powder everywhere on my floor. I'm gonna have to add in a epoxy, even though I said I wasn't gonna add one. Y'all ready for one? It's getting thicker and thicker because of the pop in the jelly. The pop in the... Hold on. This girl never fails me. I'll tell you, I'll show you. I'll show you. They never fail me. Never. Thank you. How's everybody's day? Trying to think. I should just add some more recycled powder, right? And just bucket. 2 tears in a bucket. Y'all ready for some powder? Because I don't fuck around when I bring out some powder. So y'all ready for some